Housing Minister Marcuise Marak has given a clean chit to the department facing allegations of issuing orders to a firm to supply corrugated aluminium roofing sheets without calling for tenders. Referring to an RTI reply, the HYC alleged that the Departmental Tender Committee under the Housing Department, along with the Director of Housing, unilaterally issued supply orders to Haryana Iron Works Private Limited for an amount of rupees 188.88 crores without calling for any tender or quotations. The minister said the group had earlier complaints about the poor quality of the corrugated aluminium roofing sheet, and an inquiry was conducted accordingly.
Party is empaneled for 2 years. We don't have to go for the tendering process. So that is why we have given order for the earlier firm, for the official processes that has been prepared.
Okay.
Department is examining the matter, and then the file will be sent to me.